Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Synchrony bank saving account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Synchrony savings bank account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in mysynchrony.com like this and hit enter. And then you'll be redirected to the home page of the Synchrony bank, where as you can see there is the Synchrony logo, and just above it there is the saving accounts and CDs tab over here. To log into your saving account on Synchrony, you will be required to click over here first, where I'm hovering right now with my mouse. You can see above the Synchrony logo, click on saving accounts and CDs like this, and you'll be redirected, or another tab will open where you can see the Synchrony's savings account plan register website. And now to log into your Synchrony savings account, over here you can see the sign in option at the top right corner of your screen. Click on sign in, and after that you'll be shown the click here to sign into your Synchrony account savings accounts or to Synchrony Mastercard. Let's click on click here to sign in to our Synchrony banking savings account. And after that, landing on this page, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here which you had registered on Synchrony. And after that, click on sign in to log into your Synchrony account from over here. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, simply click on forgot username or password, depending upon which one you lost, to retrieve your username or password. Or if you have not yet created an account on Synchrony, simply click on register for online access to create an account on Synchrony right now. And guys, this is how you log into your Synchrony bank savings account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.